Hello everybody, my name is Gabriel Durham from the UH Office of Sustainability. Just like the rest of you, I'm working from home and dealing with the quarantine in the best ways that I can. And since I didn't get to put on Sustainability Fest for everybody, I've decided to launch the Home video series. So we have these cool shirts from the office that say home on them with the planet Earth, and I figure since we're all stuck at home, it'd be good to have some sustainability videos for what you can do stuck at home to help sustainability. So today I decided let's plant some native sunflower seeds, right? The reason that impacts sustainability is because a lot of the flowers you see in town or around the city don't produce any pollen or nectar, aka food for things like birds and bugs and other native species that are actually undergoing a mass extinction right now. So one of the best things you can do to support your local wildlife is to plant native plants that haven't been genetically altered so that they still produce pollen and they still produce nectar for bees and all other kinds of things in the food chain. You might be curious, why did they even breed that stuff out in the first place? Well, back in the day, people didn't want any nectar or pollen in their plants to prevent pests. You know, you go to the zoo and you've got a bunch of pollen-producing plants, you've got bees all over all the trash cans. Obviously, for a person who's into bees, that's great, but in terms of old school landscape, that wasn't so desirable. So they bred out these things also to protect their investments. Because say you buy a plant and it produces seeds and you use those seeds to make more plant, got an ant on me, then you're not making money anymore. So a lot of things like tomatoes and other types of produce, they won't produce seeds that you can then grow your own tomatoes from, and that's in the producer's #1 interest. But that's all beside the point, just some fun facts about sustainability for y'all. So today we're going to be planting these sunflowers. If you're at home and you have a place to plant some things, you can plant the sunflowers as well. Right now is a perfect time to plant. You can plant them as late as May if it takes you a while. Try to get a native variety. If you buy the seed pack, it'll actually say on the seed pack, native variety. And that's how you know you're actually supplying food to your local critters. So just like you would think from eating sunflowers at the store, sunflower seeds come just like you would expect. These are native, so they're a little smaller than what you would buy at the store. And each one needs nice, good, dark soil like this. It needs to be put about 1 inch down and then covered with the soil lightly again. So I've got a whole packet of seeds here that we can plant in this nice open area I have at this house I'm stuck at. So if you're stuck at home and you have nothing to do and you'd like to help sustainability, remember, find some seeds, make sure they're native, plant them like I am, and next thing you know, you might be the next supermarket for your local wildlife.